Yesterday in my video, I mentioned I would love to know the name of this plant. Oh my gosh, and one of my awesome friends and fairy lovers and garden friend knew the name of this plant and left it in the comment section for me. Wasn't that sweet of her? I have the best friends. If I ask for a question to be answered, they always find the answers for me. Thank you guys so much for always being so loving and supportive. This is my new favorite plant for my fairy gardens and in for my garden. I have done some research on it, and it's supposed to be a wonderful plant for the garden and cottage garden theme, and that makes me happy because that's what I'm working for. Isn't it beautiful? But it does say that it does like to take over, so we'll see how much I love it if that happens, because I already have a few plants. But hopefully, as long as it doesn't kill them out, I don't care if I have a lot of them. And I hear they come in a lot of different colors, so I'm going to try to go and find some seeds and throw them out, for I can have some different colors for my cottage garden. I'm going to be doing a shout out for a few of my fairy lovers that have been loyal and have been wonderful friends. So please go check out their channels. I'm doing Fairy Month for June's Fairy Gardens. I'm going to do a fairy garden every day. Let's see if I can do it. If by some chance I miss a day, I may double up and put 2 different fairy gardens up in one day. But we will do 30 fairy gardens for the month. So I'm going to take a deep breath and start getting ready. Now here's some of my fairy lovers. Go check them out. Give them some love and support. They're awesome channels, and they're very loving, very supportive and kind. And those are the kind of channels that I like. And here is my awesome friend to give me the information on the name of that plant I was asking about. Oh, I love it, and hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. I hate to pronounce anything because I do so bad. Yarrow, Y-A-R-R-O-W. It's a beautiful plant, and I love it. I have it in my front yard and my back. Next week, we'll probably show the ones in the backyard. The ones in the backyard I had last year. So I don't know if these seeds were from last year when I threw them out, or if the ones in the backyard got into the front yard somehow by the fairies or the birds. But the ones in the front are doing better. But I really love this plant, and I'm going to get some more. And here is my awesome friend that gave me the name of that plant. Go check her channel out and see what she does. She does beautiful garden videos. She joins in with us most every Thursday for Fairy Garden Thursday. And she did put a fairy garden up, so please go check it out. And if you're a day early or a day late for Fairy Garden Thursday, don't worry, we don't care. But do leave me a comment that you joined in, because I want to make sure to give you a full watch. But make sure you go over and check out my awesome friend and see what it's like, her rural life in the valley, and it's so beautiful. It's a wonderful, wonderful channel. Make sure you go over and check out her fairy garden also that she put up. It's so beautiful. I just love how she comes up with so many great things to share. And she does some great, great fairy gardens. And look at how beautiful it is where she lives. Please go over and check out her channel and give her some love. And think about joining. She's a wonderful friend. And oh, do I love her. She is so sweet, so kind. And she's also a fairy lover like me. And go and see all the cute little fairy accessories she has. And she reuses and repurposes and makes a lot of things herself. And shares how you can make some cute little fairy gardens on a very small budget and making them look fabulous. Go check her out. She's one of my dear friends, and I do love her a lot. And here's another one of my awesome friends that joined in for Fairy Garden Thursday. I couldn't believe she put together a wonderful, wonderful fairy garden, and she incorporated it so beautifully into her garden. go over and check out this wonderful channel. She does lots of gardening videos and fairy gardens and whimsical displays. She is so wonderful and so sweet and so kind. And these are the kind of friends you want. If you love gardening videos, fairy garden videos, go check this one out. You're going to love them. I'm just going to share a few of her videos with you. She's going to inspire you to make cute little fairy gardens and repurposing things you own, and just by painting things up a little can change a beautiful fairy garden from one to something totally different and spend hardly any money at all. And she gives lots and lots and lots of great gardening tips and information also on her channel. So please go check out my awesome friend and great fairy garden lover. And here is another fairy garden. Oh my gosh. Oh, do I love fairy gardens, and I love flowers. You can see why we're friends, because everything I love, she incorporates into her garden. Go check out this awesome creator and see all the wonderful things she shares. Oh yeah, you're going to love her channel. And she has a beautiful garden. Look at all the beautiful flowers. She has a beautiful little place, and she's so good at sharing how to make a fairy garden. And she does a wonderful, wonderful job. So go and check out this channel. And she's going to share you how you can make some cute little fairy gardens for almost no money at all, just by shopping the house, shopping the garden. Go check her out. You don't have to spend a lot of money to do a fairy garden. Think about joining in for fairy garden Thursday. Every Thursday we do a fairy garden, and in June we're doing a fairy garden every single day. So hope you come over and see what we're going to do. We're going to incorporate so many fairy gardens. I hope I'm able to keep up with it, but I have all of you guys cheering me on, so I'm sure I'm going to do fine. So don't forget to go check out this wonderful, wonderful channel. Also, don't forget to join it and to also give her a thumbs up and let her know that you were there by leaving a comment.